Me, your boy RJ. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the bottom seat on a Chevy Avalanche. The same from 2001 or 2, whenever it started, till 14. First thing you're going to do, gently, so you don't break this plastic cover here, pop that out. You got a 10mm right here. Hope I had it on reverse. Okay. Pop it up where you got it there. You got a 10mm right here. Trash, because you know the kids. Okay. You can use a drill if you want. It's a long bolt. It's a pretty simple process. I'm going to show you why we're replacing ours. We hit the Junkyard. That's how you get this. I don't think you're going to be able to find them anywhere else. We've been searching for a few years at the Junkyard. We got lucky. And we got one for like 20 bucks for just this part. And it sat, you can tell, nobody ever sat in the back seat of this vehicle. This is the longest screw in my life. That's ridiculous. Okay. Okay, it should be out now. It's out. Oh, has it got a bolt keeper? No, it's just taking forever. You can pause it until we get it. Yep. Alright, you got a bolt here. You have to wiggle it up. You got a washer, don't lose it. See it right there? That's part of it. You're good. You ain't gonna lose it, but I thought it was pull that guy out. Do the same thing, you gotta wiggle it, get the bolt out, and then you got these two parts right here. You want to bring it in, turn it, you want to bring it in. It's a little heavier. We had 2 people doing that at the Junkyard. One sitting on that side. Okay, turn it in like that, pull that part out, switch it, because as you can see, one of my kids decided they like the big seats here and here. Don't ask why. Here's the new one. We're going to put it in there. We're going to clean it. Probably cleaned it before, but I just wanted to get in the car so we didn't damage it. It's in good condition. Like mint, like no one ever sat in the seat. Okay. Before you put it back together, this new one, the plastic's good. Mine was messed up, so this didn't sit in right. It just kind of flipped, so sometimes you'd lose the ability to lift the seat up, and you'd have to reach under and get it. This one, the plastic is good. Lift it up. Take this part, you just stick it in there, you turn it, you're done. Okay. This guy. Mounts. Set it in. Bolt. Here's one. We're gonna put the other one. You see where I put it? There it is, right in front of my face. Little snake. Oh no! Don't lose it. Okay. Get this bolt. Same situation. You could use the new ones that I got, but I'm just gonna use the ones I got. They were already here. Okay. Okay. Come here. And you're gonna lift it. Get down in there. Like I said, it's heavy. It helps if you have a second person able to be on the other side lifting while you do this. If not, that's what you gotta do. Alright. Turn your tool around. Maybe even I did this first. Okay. This one's definitely not in. Lift it up in there, push it in. It still takes 12 minutes. Like I said, if you got a drill set up, a lot easier. What's that?
Scrap metal.
I think we're in place. It's hard to tell. pause it real quick while I lift this. I gotta make that one. All right, you get that done. Like I said, if you got your drill out here, you can put a 10mm bolt driver head in there, and this would speed you up quickly. Or I can do that, but it's not faster. All right, so there's our new seat. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful. All done. So, hope you liked the video. You're going to be able to find us at Junkyard, so go get hooked up. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. It helps during these times. As always, I'm RJ. Season that, East and Everything. Bye-bye.